Welcome to the Speaking Turkish in 30 Days video course. In this video course series, I will teach you the basics of Turkish language and you will be able to understand and do conversational Turkish. Turkish language is a logical language and this course aims to show you just that. Think of Turkish as playing with Legos. You simply put more blocks on top of each other to make more diverse and rich sentences. Turkish is a language that relies on suffixes. Once you know which suffix represents which shape of Lego brick, you can build beautiful sentence structures in a really short amount of time. Please be aware that this course will mostly cover some of the grammar topics of the Turkish language. Not everything will be covered. Another thing is, even if the title says in 30 days, you do not have to hurry and try to learn every new topic in a day. If the topics are too much for you in one go, simply pace the courses in every 3 or 4 days. Try to practice everything that you learn daily to reach fluency in shorter amount of time. If you have Turkish friends, practice speaking with them or find people who you can speak online with. Finally, be sure to watch all the videos until the end and subscribe to the Turkish Aholic channel. If you like this video or any of the videos you'll watch, be sure to like and comment. Have fun learning Turkish.